IPL T20 database system. So now I'm going to give you introduction of IPL T20 database system. So the IPL T20 database system is used to store and manage all the important informations about the Premier League match. It keeps some records like player names and details, team informations, match results and scores, stadium where match are played, or who won, who lost, and how many runs or wickets had took. So this system helps people like cricket fans and app developers to easily find and use IPL reports, sorry, data. It also helps in making reports, checking players' performance, and comparing teams. In short, it is a digital way of organizing IPL data, so it can be used anytime quickly and correctly. Next is about ER diagram of IPL T20. So first is player. First entity is about player. So its attribute is player underscore ID, player underscore name, and role. So first player underscore ID means it is unique identifier. Next player underscore name means is a name of the player. Next roles are batsman, bowler, or all rounder like this. Next age is age of the player. Next is its relationship is belongs to it belongs underscore to. It connects player to team, and it's salt underscore in. It connects player to action. Next performance, it connects player to match. Next entity is team. Its attribute is age, nationality. So age is like likely maintained for average team age or a mistake should be team underscore name. Next nationality is like possible represents team country or base. Next entity is about action. Its attribute is action underscore ID. It's a unique ID for action events. Next is about match. Here its attribute is match underscore type. It's a T20 or a qualifier or final, etc. And capacity. It's likely refers to the stadium. Could be misplaced. Next is stadium. Its attribute is stadium underscore ID. It's a unique identifier for stadium and name of the stadium. Next is performance. It acts as a bridge entity for player and match. Its attribute is first is performer, uh, general label. Runs means runs scored by player. Next wicket is wicket taken by the player. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Myself, Aspia. Today, I am going to share the topic about logical schema. This schema represents a cricket tournament database, likely IPL style. It includes players, team, matches, auctions, and performance details, starting tables and their attributes. Player, player ID, unique ID for each player. Player name, name of the player. Nationality, country of the player. Stadium, stadium ID, unique ID of the stadium. Stadium name, name of the stadium. Location, where it is located. Player ID is a primary key and stadium ID is primary key. Season ID, primary key, unique ID for the season. Year of the tournament season. Owner ID, primary key, unique ID for each them owner. Team ID, foreign key. Team owned, reference, team table. Team name, name of the team. Coach of the team. Fifth, captain. Player ID, foreign key. Player who is the captain. Team ID, foreign key. Team they captain. Sixth, Primary key, unique ID for each match. Team ID, foreign key, participating team. Runs scored in the match. Ball faced by the team player. Season ID, foreign key, links matches to a season. Auction, player ID, foreign key, player in the auction. Team ID, foreign key, team that brought the player. Player stats, player ID, foreign key, reference to the player. Runs scored, wickets lost, result. Performance of player in general. Player match stats. Match ID. Foreign key. Match in which stats are recorded. Team ID. Foreign key. Team for which player played. Runs scored. Wickets lost. Result. Match specific performance. In these relationships are players are assigned to teams through auction and captain. Teams are managed by owners. Players play matches and their performance is recorded in player match stats. Season connects to match. Stadium can be associated with matches. Player stats gives overall stats while player match stats is per match.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Koel. I am going to explain about the queries. So, before explaining queries, we have to create a table. So, I have created a table here. The entity is IPL match. In that, the attributes are match ID, which is in int, and it is primary key. And then another attribute is date. Uh, and capital date. Next team 1 varchar 50, team 2 varchar 50, runs 1 int, runs 2 int. Next venue means location or stadium, we can say. So varchar 100. Then we will close the table. Then we will write a insert, so in which we will write the insert values as 1, then date of that match, and name of the first team name, second team name, and then run 1, run 2, and stadium or venue location where it is present. Now I'm going to execute the queries. So here we will take select. Select is a keyword used to specify the columns that you want to retrieve if the data from a table. And match ID selects the match ID which uniquely identify each IPL match. Date selects the date on which the match was played. Then team 1 selects the name of the team 1, one of the two teams that played the match. Next runs 1 selects the number of runs scored by team 1. Next team 2 select the name of the team 2, same as the team 1. Then runs 2 also same, select the number of runs scored by team 2. And run 1 plus run 2 has total, means we are calculating both the runs has a total. Then venue means location or stadium, we can say. For from IPL match, we are taking this data from the table IPL matches, and order by table total runs DESC means this shows the result in descending order. DESC means descending order of total runs. So match with highest total scores come first. So from the above query, we can conclude that, or we can get the output has the highest scores in the match. So here we can say among all the five, the Royal Challengers, that RCB has won the highest runs, that is 262 and 287 in run 1 and 262 in run 2. So the total runs are 549. So that is the highest score. Here is the another one query, so which tells the select means same, starts the main query that selects from the sub query. So here team name of the team, and count star has played, count how many, means here count is used to count how many total matches the team has played either team 1 or team 2. Some team equals to winner has won means count how many teams this team was the winner. And round 100.0 star sum team equals to winner by count star 2 has win PCT means calculate the win percentage rounded to two decimal places. Then from we will take select table from team 1 has team, and in which we will take some cases like when run 1 is greater than run 2, then team 1, and similarly when run 2 greater than run 1, then team 2. and hand has winners. So we will take this from the IPL matches as we have created the table above. And then we will union is a constant which is used to combine the logic for two tables. Similarly, we will select from team 2, we will write two cases from the same IPL matches. Then we will group the table. Group by team is used to group by is used to aggregate wins and matches played, and order by is also used as a sorted teams by win percentage highest first, and limit one is used for return only the top team. So that is it. So here the output will comes that which which team has played or which team has won the highest match. So that is Sunrisers Hyderabad played one team and won once, and win packet is 100. So now let's create another table, that is player. Player is an entity. So let's just create a table for that. Here the attributes are player ID, player name, role, nationality, age, and their player ID int, player name varchar, role varchar, nationality varchar, and age int. So here player ID is the primary key. So we will insert player values for that. That is one Virat Kohli, batsman, India 35. For like that only we will insert 5. So here we will write a query for the above table from player and order by age descending order, same as I mentioned earlier. How order DEC means descending order, ages in descending order. Here this query will tell the oldest cricketers name. So the output will come as who is among the above table created. MS Dhoni is the oldest, means he is the oldest player. So his name is displayed here. So thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Myself Chandana. I am going to explain today the remaining queries. That is, the first query is stadium. Here, I am creating first a table, create table stadium. The entities are attributes like stadium ID that we took in a int that is a primary key, and name that is in varchar, then location that is also in varchar, then capacity that I am took as an int. Then I am going to insert the values in stadium table, that are for stadium ID I took 201, for name I took Twinkling, then location I took Mumbai, then capacity I took a 33,000. Like this, I created a three tuples. Then I will create a table related to this. The table has created. Okay, here I written a query related to the stadium table, that is select start from a stadium table, then order by capacity DESC, then I took a limit of 1. Here the stadium ID, the highest is 201, then the name MCG, then the location is Melbourne, and the capacity is 1 lakh. Then this is the table I created for stadium. Then I will go to the auction table, create a table, that auction ID int primary key, player name varchar 50, then a team name varchar 30, and auction year int auction price I took in a decimal. Here auction is nothing but a player at which price the player has sold to the another team, or we can say like a payment only. Then I have inserted the auction values. For auction ID I took the values like 1 2 3 4 5. Then for player name I took Virat Kohli, MS Dhoni, then Ben Stokes and Sam Curran and Pat Cummins. Then for team name I took RCB, CSK, Punjab, then KKR. For team name, for auction year I took 2020, 2020, 23, 23, and 20. For auction price, I took like Virat Kohli 1 crore 70 lakh, then MS Dhoni 1 lakh 1 crore, sorry, 1 crore 50 lakhs. Then for Ben Sticks 1 crore 62 lakh 50,000. then Sam Curlin for 18 lakh 50,000, then Pat Cummins 1 lakh 55,000. Then I will show the query. Okay, I took a select start from stadium where order by capacity. Okay, select player name, team name, and auction price. I'm using a from function year from auction, then where auction year is equal to 2023. Order by auction price in decreasing order. Then I took a limit of 1. Then the output is or the table came like this as a player name Sam Curran. Then the team name is PBKs, that is nothing but Punjab Super Kings. Then auction price is 1 crore 85 lakh. This is the final query. Thank you, everyone.
Conclusion: the IPL Tournament Database Project effectively demonstrates how a real world sports league can be modeled using database concepts, starting from the ER diagram to define entities and relationships, moving to a normalized relational schema for structured data storage, and finally using SQL queries for meaningful data retrieval. This project ensures a complete and organized representation of the IPL system. It allows efficient management of player data, team ownership, match records, auctions, and performance statistics. This project not only strengthens understanding of database design but also highlights its practical application in managing complex sports events like the IPL.